Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I changed the deck belt on these Husqvarna 42-inch deck zero-turn mowers. This is the Z242F. It's a 2018 model. A lot of them are pretty much the same. So first you're going to remove this foot plate and get that out of your way. And do me a favor guys real quick, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Next thing I'm going to do is lower the deck all the way, and that's going to give me easier access to everything. Now I need to loosen this belt. Now you can sometimes just grip it, this spring right here, and pull it, and that'll loosen. We're trying to loosen up this belt. You can see how that belt tensioner works there with that spring. Now the way you're supposed to do it is loosen up this nut, and that'll extend that eye bolt to loosen up that spring. But I'm going to show you a quick, easy method that I do. Just be careful if you try this. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to spin this belt off of this pulley right here, just like that. You see what I did there? So now I got it nice and loose, and I can proceed on with taking this belt off. These are super easy. All we got to do now at this point is remove this guide here and remove that bolt. I'm sorry, that socket there. It takes a 14 millimeter. So once you get that nut off of there, just set it off to the side and lift that straight up. Set that off to the side, and now we can simply remove the belt, and see how it slipped off of the pulley off the clutch at the back. So once you go to install a new belt, just unravel it and slip it in just like that to the back. If I'm going to reinstall a new belt, I would get the belt into the position that it's in right now, and I'm going to start here at the back by putting it first onto the clutch. I'm going to pull the new belt back here to the clutch, and I'm going to put it on the pulley of the clutch. And I'm going to do my best just to push it in there. I'm going to make sure the V-groove of the belt is into the V-groove of that pulley. See the V-groove of that belt right there. This is the flat side of the belt. Don't get this belt twisted. Don't install it twisted. So I'm going to come around here, and I'm going to pull a little bit of tension on the belt. And I'm going to make sure it's all lined up properly. And you're going to be very cautious of of this part right here when you go to reinstall this belt guide. So you're going to make sure it goes between the belts right there. Make sure you got your left side and right side on there properly. I have the nut inside of this socket to help me restart the threads properly. And then I'm going to tighten it down by hand with the ratchet and make sure that that guide is going into that hole of that bracket right there. So you can see the belt between there, the flat side of the belt is hitting those wide pulleys, and then the V-groove goes into these sheaves of the spindles. And now the spring is still attached to the tensioner arm, as you can see there. Make sure it hasn't come loose or anything. And I'm holding a little bit of tension here with my hand, and I just got to slip it up over this frame, nice and easy. So I'm just going to let go of the belt. Then grab it, make sure it's still lined up, and then I'm just going to feed it around the back of this spindle and spin it right back on. So guys, this is the way I do it. I hope this video helps you guys out if you're needing to replace that belt. Do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys.